Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to trim audio in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can open up, you have your audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with trimming our audio. So I'm going to open up the audio recorder first. So here is going to open up this recording menu where you can get started recording your tracks, and I can go right here into the upper left corner and click on edit mode and into mixing mode. So it's going to open up this new menu where I can find all the tracks that I can edit, add effects to, and so on. And basically, guys, if we want to trim any of our tracks and our audio, what we want to do is go ahead and find the track, and after finding the track, tap on it, and after tapping on it, as you can see, this is now going to give us a couple of options we have, and one of them is called split. So what you can do, guys, is click the split option, and after that, it's going to split it to wherever you want, or you can just go ahead and drag and hold it on the end and drag it to wherever you want to reduce the audio and trim it to how much you want, and this is how you can get your desired effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.